Well, today is Tuesday. We are at Thousand Oak Island, or Thousand Lakes. It's a little after 6 in the morning. I can't sleep no more. I'm ready to get up. Tim's laying in his tent, chilling. Here's a little 360, a panoramic view. Sun's coming up over the east right now, and it'll feel good because it's a little chilly out here. Pan back over. There's Banner and Ritter. We're at 9,840 feet right now. And we're going up to Donahue today, which is at 11,052 feet. So it's going to be a tough day today. And we got to walk out over there. And we have to walk up along that ridge and get up to the top somewhere around over there. Sweet. It was a little nippy, but not too bad. We had down bags, down jackets. My legs are really sore. My quads are blown out. We've been climbing basically since we started 2 days ago, or 3 days ago, Saturday. So anyways, see ya.